What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how I achieve this look. So many DMs on Instagram, so many questions about a tutorial on this. How did I do this? What did I do? I promise it's probably not that much different than what you've already seen. But I love my neck scarves. I wear them when it's cold outside, and when it's hot outside, I wear them on my head. It gives me flair, it protects my hair, all of that jazz. So I'm gonna show you how I tie 3 of my head scarves. 2 of them are actually neck scarves that I wear around my neck, and then one of them, which is the one that I have on my head right here, this one is not. This is an actual head scarf that I actually just wear out regularly, and I'm going to show you how I tie them. So keep watching if you want to know how I tie my head wraps and how I protect my hair from the heat, or when I'm having a bad hair day, what do I do to kind of jazz it up and kind of protect my hair throughout the day or throughout that week if it's a bad hair week. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you already don't follow me on Instagram, what you doing? What is you doing? So today I am showing you how I created my little head wrap using my neck scarf. This is actually my favorite neck scarf that I wear during the winter time. And it's actually really big, so I mean, I love it. It's warm. I got it from Target for like maybe $9.99. Also got this one from Target. Target actually has some of the best scarves. Don't sleep on Target. So I wear my scarves during the winter months because I like to be warm and cozy, and during the summer months I actually turn them into head wraps because days like today, like this is day 8 hair, days like today, I be on the struggle bus and I just be wanting to protect my hair, or maybe it's 100 degrees outside and I don't want the heat beating me down on my head. So I'm going to show you how I turn my neck scarves into my head wraps, and then I also have just a regular head wrap, and I'll just show you how I put that on as well. And I wish I could tell you all where to get this. I actually got this at a soul festival here in Los Angeles. It was a Black Soul Festival in the Inglewood area, Baldwin Hills area. I don't know. I got it from a boutique, so I can't tell you where to get this, but I'm pretty sure you can find something similar on Amazon or some like little boutiques around your area. So yeah. So as I said before, this is like day 8 hair. Like I'm long overdue for a wash, and we're gonna make this work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use just a little bit of this in the front of my hair. So inside of here I have the water, I have jojoba oil, and then I have the Mielle Organics honey and pomegranate leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna use that to refresh the front of my edges because this is the part of my hair that's going to be out just a little bit. So now I'm going to take this infinity scarf. So you see it still has the tag on it because it's a regular scarf. I actually am going to make sure that when I tuck it in my head, that it is going to be wrapped in between. So I'm going to keep it here, and this is the part I'm going to open it up like a little sheet, and then this is the part that's going to go around the back of my head. So now I'm here. I have this. And the most important part is that you don't tie it too tight here, because then it's going to slide off the back of your head, if that makes any sense. And I do it so that way I don't need to put bobby pins in it. And then I'm just going to twist this whole thing. So, important. Make sure this is actually tucked in. Be sure not to pull too tight, because if you pull too tight, it's going to slide. And you're going to need that extra room because you're going to tuck it. And that is it. That is how I tie my scarf around my head. Because it's around the circle part, this is my bun. Because it's around this, I don't have an issue with it falling off if I'm doing my hair like this or going crazy. I like to have a little bit of my hair show because it looks a little bit more natural to me. And also too, it gives you an opportunity to play around with your baby hairs. I didn't do anything too specific. Also, these are old baby hairs, meaning they've been laid 7 days prior than today, because today is like day 8. So they don't really have that much wiggle room to do any fancy stuff. But this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like.